Hey YouTube, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created these very cute jean earrings. This is something that sold big in my Etsy shop. Y'all, I'm out of breath. I just ran in here, sat down, and pressed record. Out of breath. But I love jean earrings, jean chokers, anything jean, and I guess other people do too, because like I said, these sold a lot on Etsy. But on Etsy, I use like the fabric paint and would do designs and patterns in the middle of it. Me myself, I like mine to be plain, but that's just me. You can make these and get creative with these. You know, that's what I hope. But these are very easy to make, and this video will show you exactly how I made it, so stay tuned. Okay, so to first make my jean earrings, what I have is two 1.5 inch wooden circles that I'm going to be using pretty much as my template. And I have, of course, a pair of old jeans that I'm going to sit and take the material from. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm pretty much just going to cut the edges off right now. Okay, so as you see, I can go ahead and just throw this off and out of the way. I have my spacing cut. I'm going to go ahead and put glue on this side, and I'm going to glue it down, and then I'm going to put glue on this side. I'm just going to fold it over and press it like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so as you can see, I pretty much have everything glued. My wooden circles are down inside of here, as you can see. And I'm going to cut them out, the circles out, as you know, you can see does have an imprint. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave maybe about 1/2 inch of space around each circle, which is why I've got all this fabric in the first place, because I'm going to pretty much fringe out the edges. I love my jean earrings, you know, to be fringed out and frayed. So I'm going to go ahead, cut around it, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my 2 circles cut out. So what I'm going to start doing now is to fray the edges, and I'm just going to start going in and cutting these in so I can pretty much get to the wood part. So where's the actual camera at? So as you can see, I'm pretty much just cutting little slits in it, and I'm gonna do this all the way around the circle pretty much, because that is going to be my frayed edges, my jacked up edges. Now these do not have to be perfect. They do not have to be even. I mean, once you fray it out, none of that is really going to matter. So that's what the first one looks like. I'm going to keep going with the second one. Now there are a couple different things that you can do to distress the jean. As you can see, there's like a white spot right there. And pretty much to get that, all I did was I took these and I just pulled off the little fray edges, which now exposes the jean, and it'll start to distress into this whiteness, I guess. If that's what you're looking for, then, you know, just pull away at the little fray edges. Yeah, just pull them off. You see that area starting to distress as well. Just pull off the frayed edges, and as you can see, it is starting to distress. Another thing that you can do is a cheese grater. This is what I usually do. I get a cheese grater and I just take it and pretty much go over the area that I want to distress. That's what I'm going to end up doing, but y'all, I got to find my cheese grater. Like I said, I moved. I still have not unpacked everything, and I've got to find that. But yes, so those are one of 2 things that you can do. I'm gonna go ahead and try to find my cheese grater, and I'm going to get my edges all done. Okay, as you can see, I have my distressed earring things here. I have my jump rings. I got my fish hooks here. I got my hole puncher, and I have my little plier things. So now what we're going to do is figure out which way we actually want to wear these things and pretty much punch the hole in it. And you can either punch the hole in the jean material, or you can punch the hole in the actual wood if that's what you want to do. So there's two ways that you can do it. Me myself, I think I'm just gonna punch the hole in the jean. I think that would be easier. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna punch the hole in the jean, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my holes punched, I'm gonna actually go ahead and get my jump rings and start getting them ready to pretty much go on the earring. And I'm gonna do 3. I'm gonna go ahead and put my fish hook on here. Now you can use the pliers. That's what you're supposed to be using. Am I using it? No, I'm not. And I'm going to put 3 on each one. So on the third one, I'm going to open this up. I'm pretty much going to find where I put the circle at. I'm going to close it. And there I have one completed earring. I'm going to do the same thing for over here. Grab my fish hook, go ahead, put it on, close it. Now you guys you do not have to leave these just blank like this. I used to put like patterns and designs on it with fabric paint. You know, the puffy paint that puffed up, and it was really cute. Those sold also on Etsy. If not, I think that might have been the first pair that actually sold for me. Okay, and I had to find the hole. Just gonna do the same thing, close it up. And these are my new pair of jean earrings.